Good morning to all. Welcome to our channel Info Physics. In this unit, we can discuss about complex analysis. The topics are review of complex numbers, De Moivre's theorem, functions of a complex variable, differentiability, analytic functions, harmonic function, complex integration, contour integration, Cauchy-Riemann conditions, Cauchy's integral theorem and integral formula, Taylor series, Lorentz expansion, residue theorem and its applications. Review of complex numbers. Definition. An ordered pair of real numbers such as x, y is termed as a complex numbers if we write z is equal to x, y or x plus iy, where I is equal to root of minus 1. Here x is called the real part and y is called the imaginary part of a complex number. It is denoted by x is equal to r suffix z or r of z and y is equal to I suffix z or I of z. Then equality of complex numbers. Two complex numbers x, y and x dash, y dash are equal if x is equal to x dash and y is equal to y dash. There are some algebraic operations or operations of a fundamental laws of algebra on complex number. Here we can taking three complex numbers z1 is equal to x1, y1, z2 is equal to x2, y2 and z3 is equal to x3, y3. So we define the following operations. The first one is addition. The sum of two complex numbers. The sum of two complex numbers here z1 is equal to x1, y1 and z2 is equal to x2, y2. So is defined as z is equal to z1 plus z2. So here we can substituting the values of z1 and z2. So z is equal to z1 and z2. So x1 plus iy1 plus x2 plus iy2. Then adding the real part and imaginary part separately. So x1 plus x2 is the real part plus I into y1 plus y2. So x1 plus x2 is the real part and y1 plus y2 is the imaginary part. So the sum of two complex number is a complex number with its real part as the sum of the real part and its imaginary part as the sum of imaginary parts of the given numbers. Then subtraction. It is nothing but the difference of two complex numbers. Similarly, z1 is equal to x1 plus iy1, that is equal to x1, y1, and z2 is equal to x2 plus iy2 is equal to x2, y2 is defined by the equality, that is z1 minus z2, that is equal to substituting these values of the z1 and z2. x1 minus x2 plus I into y1 minus y2, that is equal to x1 minus x2 comma y1 minus y2. So the difference of two complex number is a complex number with its real part as the difference of real part and its imaginary part as the difference of imaginary part of the given complex numbers. Thank you.